For decades, the path was crystal clear. Study hard in India, get to a top engineering college, move to US for a master's degree or a job, earn in dollars, settle in Silicon Valley, and secure the American dream. For decades, this was the ultimate blueprint of success. But today, something massive is shifting. Thousands of highly skilled Indian engineers, product managers are packing the bags and heading back to India. They aren't leaving because they failed. Many of them earn about $200,000 to $400,000 a year in a big tech firm. They're leaving because of the broken immigration system that leaves them stuck on a temporary visa loop for decades. On the other hand, the rising Indian economy is suddenly offering them a compelling alternative. In this video, we break down 3 big things. Why the reverse brain drain is happening right now. Every US work visa, how they work, and how you actually get one. The infamous green card freeze. The maths behind why Indian workers face a 100+ year backlog. If you're a student, a tech worker, or just curious about global immigration, hit the subscribe button. Let's dive in. Before we talk about why people are leaving, the first thing we need to understand is how to get there. Work visas in US is not one that fits all size. Here's the breakdown of primary pathways. F1 OPT allows the international graduate to work in their field for 12 months after graduating. STEM OPT extension. If you graduate with a science, technology, engineering, or a maths degree, you get an additional 24 months extension, totaling 3 years of work authorization. This 3 years window gives a STEM graduate up to 3 chances to enter a H-1B visa lottery while working there legally. The H-1B is the holy grail of foreign worker visa. It is a non-immigrant visa that allows US companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations. Congressionally capped at 65,000 standard visas plus 20,000 for candidates with master's or PhD from a US university, totaling about 85,000 per year. Because applications outnumber available slots by 4:1 or 5:1, USCIS uses a randomized computer lottery. Granted for 3 years, renewable up to 6 years total. But the catch is, if you lose your job while on H-1B visa, you exactly have 60 days to find another company to sponsor you, switch to another visa status, or leave United States. If you didn't win a H-1B lottery, the L1 visa is the common backup plan. L1A Managers Executive allows transfer of managerial staff valid for up to 7 years. L1B Specialized Knowledge allows transfer of employees with proprietary knowledge valid for up to 5 years. You must work for an international company like Google, Microsoft, TCS, Infosys outside the United States for at least 1 continuous year before transferring to the US office. No lottery cap, but the visa is tied directly to the employer. You cannot easily switch jobs while you're on L1. Other specialized work visas. O1 visa for individuals with extraordinary ability. No annual cap. Fast track for top talent and founders. H4 EAD is for spouses of H1B holders. This allows spouses to work once the primary holder has an approved I-140. So now you have an H-1B visa, you have a big tech job, and you're paying taxes in America. And now you want a permanent residency, a green card. This is where the system completely breaks down for Indians. Perm Labor Certification. The employer proves to the US Department of Labor that no qualified American worker is available for the role. Form I-140 Immigrant Petition. Filed by the employer. Once approved, your priority date is set. Form I-485. Filed when your priority date becomes current in the Department of State Visa Bulletin to receive the actual green card. By law, US allocates approximately 140,000 employment-based green cards each year. However, immigration law enforces a 7% cap per country. This means no single country of birth can receive more than roughly 9,800 employment green cards per year across all preference categories, regardless of its population size. Over 1 million foreign workers and their family members from India are currently stuck in the EB2 and EB3 queues. At a processing rate of 10,000 per year, official congressional studies estimate that new Indian applicants in the EB2, EB3 category face waiting times ranging from 50 to over 100 years. If a 25-year-old engineer applies today, they may be in their 80s or 90s before receiving the permanent status. When priority date moves backward in Visa Bulletin, it is called retrogression. 1 month, the bulletin says we are processing the applications from the year 2014, and the next month it jumps back to 2012. Immigrants call this situation a green card freeze, a state in perpetual limbo. Understanding the visa trap makes the shift clear. Indians aren't living because they want to, they are leaving because of living in a golden handcuff gets exhausting. When a tech layoffs hit Silicon Valley, the H-1B visa holders face existential crisis. You have 60 days to secure a job offer from a company who can file for a transfer of your H-1B visa. If you can't find a job in 60 days, you must uproot yourself, sell your car, pull your kids out of school, and leave the country. Doing this once is stressful. Living under this threat for years is a straight burnout. Children brought to US on dependent visas lose their legal status when they turn out 21 years old. If their parents' green card haven't arrived till then, the children age out. They must switch to student visa or self-deport themselves from the only country they have known since birth. 15 years ago, moving back to India was like taking a 70 to 80% pay cut and a very limited tech ecosystem option. But that balance had dramatically shifted. Global capability centers for Fortune 500 firms are opening across Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, and NCR, offering Silicon Valley level engineering work. An engineer earning a $200,000 in San Francisco after tax, rent $3,500 per month, and healthcare often saves less liquid cash. A senior engineer lead earning 50 to 60 lakh rupees in India with vastly lower living cost. India Boost, one of the largest startup ecosystem globally, providing opportunities to lead teams, build products, or start companies. Behind visa and money lies the quality of life. Being closer to your aging parents, raising children in an extended family, celebrating festivals at home, and enjoying a vibrant social life without any visa anxieties are proving to be a powerful motivators. America remains an incredible engine for innovation, education, and wealth generation. But the era where US was the only place to build a world-class tech career is officially over. The reverse brain drain isn't just a loss for the United States tech talent pool. It's becoming one of the biggest tailwind for India's digital economy, as thousands of experienced engineers bringing back Silicon Valley expertise, capital, and global network, they are helping build the next generation of global tech from India. What do you think? If you're living in US or planning to study or work there, what is your long-term plan? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like and the subscribe button. Share this video with someone who's navigating through this process. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.